Hi, thank you for tuning in today. Today I'll be showing you how I apply my Pro Gel tips from Igel Beauty. So this is the packaging. These are in long coffin. There are 10 sizes, 0 to 9. So you're going to take a nail. You're going to try and fit it on your nail from sidewall to sidewall. Make sure it fits perfectly. Not too big, not too small. Then you'll take any bit on an e-file and use that to etch the inside of the nail, the part of the nail that will be touching your nail. The bit doesn't matter as long as it fits inside of the nail. Then you'll take any builder gel, apply a thin coat of that to your nail on top of a base gel. You're going to cure that, and then you'll take the false nail or the gel tip, apply a thin coat of builder base in there. Builder gel. Then you are going to place that on your finger, starting at the cuticle, pressing firmly, making sure there are no air bubbles, as air bubbles will lead to lifting and popping off. Then you're going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and this is the result. I got a little bit of gel on the outside, but it's okay. I'm using my Melody Susie e-file in the medium sanding band to go around the cuticle. So I'm going around the cuticle and over the nail just to etch the nail, but make sure you get all the remaining gel out of the skin and cuticle area. That is crucial for these nails to last long. So then I'm going to take my cuticle bit, go right around the cuticle area, make sure that it looks as flushed as possible so that it looks as natural as possible. Then I'm going to take a 100 grit nail file the sides and the tip so that the shape is perfect. Take a cute alcohol wipe and wipe over the nail. I wipe under the nail also just to get any debris out of there. Allow that to dry. Now I'm going to take Igel Beauty gel polish in the color I'm Blushing and just polish as you would a normal nail. Now I'm just going to apply a second coat because this color is quite sheer. Making sure I don't get any gel on the skin or cuticle so that the nails look perfect and they don't lift or pop off. Then just pop that into the lamp, and this is the result of 2 coats of I'm Blushing from Igel Beauty. I did get a little bit of gel on my skin, so what I'm going to do is just take that same file and file it off on the sides. Take an alcohol wipe, wipe that off. Allow that to dry. And then I'm going to take Igel Beauty No Wipe Top Coat, and I'm going to apply that as I did the polish. Make sure you wipe off the sides and the tip to keep the shape that you worked so hard for. Pop that into the lamp, and this is the end result. And if you have made it to this part of the video, you've made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it helpful. Please like, comment, and save this video. You may DM me on any social media site at VMA Nails. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.